Fifth sum. A car covers a distance 125 km in 5 kg of the LP gas. So how much distance it's covered? 3 kg of the LP gas. Okay, 5 kg is covered 125 km. For 3 kg of LP gas, how much? So by using the gas you are traveling, right? In this place you are having a 3 kg of the LP gas. How much it take the distance? So if you know 1 kg of the LP gas distance only, you can find it. So 5 kg LP gas distance equal to 125 kilometer. So we are using a unitary method, right? So I am going to convert 1 LP gas distance covered. 1 LP gas how much distance cover? 25 kilometer distance it will travel. So what they are asking? 3 LP kg gas. So 3 kg LP gas distance covered equal to, I already told 3 into, what is a 1 kg? 1 kilometer, yeah, 1 kg kilometer is a 25 kilometer. So 3 5s are 15, balance 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 75. So 75 kilometer can be covered with 3 kg LP gas. Okay, by using a 3 kg LP gas. Sixth question. Cholan works 6 kilometer in 1 hour at constant speed. So Cholan walks 6 kilometer in 1 hour. So 1 hour he travels 6 kilometer. So distance covered by him 20 minutes. Okay, at the same speed. So 1 hour. In 1 hour, we already know 1 hour means. So because below they given a minute, so I am going to convert minutes. So I already know in 1 hour. So 16 minutes. How much he covered the distance? Cholan covered the distance is 6 kilometer. Okay. So 60 minutes he covered 6 kilometer for 1 minute. So 1 hour I am converted into 60 minutes. So in this place you are considered 60 minutes only. 60 minutes covered distance is 6 kilometer. In 1 minute's distance covered, this 60 is moving this downward. Okay, because you are going to find a 20 minutes. So convert it into hours into the minutes, then only move to this sum. So what the, so as it is I am taking this. So in 20 minutes, so 1 minute, right? So 20 minutes distance covered. So what is a 1 minute distance? 6 by 60. So 20 into 6 by 60, I am cancelling. In 6 table 60 for 10 times. In 10 table 10 for 1 time, 20 for 2 time. Okay. So 2 kilometer for in 20 minutes Cholan covered the distance is 2 kilometer. Are you clear? Okay. In 20 minutes, how much he reach? In 20 minutes, Cholan walks how many? 2 kilometer. That's it. Okay. That's only they given. Then next is 7th question. 8th question. Sorry, 7th question. A number of correct answer given by Karmugilan and Kavita in a quiz competition. So we are having a quiz competition. Okay. So we are having a groups. In a group we are giving the answers. Somebody is giving the answer. Whose ratio is a 10:11. Whose ratio is a 10:11. If they have scored a total of 84 points in the competition, then how many points did Kavita get? So what they mention in quiz competition, Karmugilan and Kavita is the one team. So whose answers, correct answer 10:11 ratio. So totally they get the mark is 84 points. So converting the answer, they getting the mark is 84 points in the competition. They asking what about the Kavita point. So how much she give the correct answer they asking. So the correct answer given by the Karmugilan and Kavita, whose ratio is 10:11. We already know. So what is the total point in competition equal to? 84. Total points equal to 84. So why I am writing sum of the ratio means because you are going to find out Kavita alone. So Kavita alone means, so total into Kavita mark division of that sum of the ratios. Okay, that's a normal method. I already teach in the before exercises. Okay, so it's nothing but total into Kavita ratio by total ratio. Are you clear? So total into what's the Kavita ratio? 11 by sum of the ratio. If you're going to find out means what's the major part? So 11 by 21 is a part of Kavita. So 10 by 21 is a Karumagilan. Okay, are you clear? So Kavita by total. So 84 into 11 by 21, then you get an answer. So I am going to cancel this. How many times it will move? 21 into 4s are, try 484. So in 21 table, how many times it will move? 4 times. Are you clear? So what's the answer? How many points? So 4 into 11. How many points Kavita get? 44 points. So 44. So Kavita scored 44 points in the quiz competition. Are you clear? So they are asking Kavita alone, so that is enough. So Karumagilan made 54 runs in 9 overs and Ashif made 77 runs in 11 overs. Who runs get is better? So which one is you are going to compare to find which one is greater? Okay. So Karumagilan runs makes in 9 overs of 54. So Karumagilan run make in 1 over equal to 54. We already know. So 9 is moving this place. So 9. So this is cancelling. In 6 table is cancelling 6 runs. Right. 9 6 are 54. So I am cancelling 1 time. This is 6 time. Okay. So 6 runs for 1 over 6 runs for getting a Karumagilan. Then Asif run makes 11 over for 77. So for 1 over 75 by so 11 runs. So which run is a bigger? Obviously 7. So Asif run rate was greater than the Karumagilan, right? That's only they asking. Compare to find. You purchase 6 apples for 90 rupees and your friend purchased 5 apples for 70. Whose purchase is better? Before the sum same. So for what the 1 rupee apple rate and what the 1 rupee apple rate for the friend, which one is a greater? That should be a better. Okay. So fill up. I already given the answer. You find out and tell. Okay.